Hello students, let us start a new lesson, Enviro Attention. Environmental issues are the problems with the planet system like air, water, soil that have developed as a result of human interference or mistreatment of the planet children. Let us know the top 10 environmental issues that are arousing concern the world over children. First is pollution, children. Pollution is when harmful substances are added to the environment and change it in a bad way, children. There are 5 kinds of pollution of the environment, namely water pollution, air pollution, noise pollution, soil pollution, and thermal pollution. Next is public health, children. Public health is defined as the science of protecting the safety and improving the health of communities through education, policy making, and prevention, children. Next is deforestation. Deforestation is the cutting down of trees or removal of trees from the land, which is then converted for the non-forest use, children. Next is waste disposal. Disposing of waste causes a serious problems, children. Some waste will be naturally rot, but not all. And in that process, what happens? It may smell or generate some gas, that is methane gas, which is very explosive and contributes to the greenhouse effect. Next, overpopulation. Overpopulation is an undesirable condition where the number of existing human population exceeds the carrying capacity of the earth, children. Next is climate change. Climate change has serious impacts on the world's water systems through more flooding and droughts, children. Drought means dry land. This leads to landslides and loss of biodiversity also, children. Next is loss of biodiversity, children. What do you mean by biodiversity? The number and variety of plants, animals, and other organisms that exist in an ecosystem is known as biodiversity. Okay, it is a measure of the variety of organisms present in different ecosystems. The richness of biodiversity depends on the climatic conditions and area of the region. Next is land management and urban sprawl. Urban sprawl is the unrestricted growth in many urban areas of housing, commercial development, and roads over large expanses of land, children. You can view the picture. The land has been conserved largely with the buildings, houses, with little concern for urban planting. This is urban sprawl. Next is water pollution, children, and scarcity. See, due to many human effects, what happens? See, the water gets polluted and it becomes day by day very worse, and we can't consume it, children. And water also day by day becomes very scarce. That is not enough. You can view the picture. Next is ecosystem and endangered species, children. Endangered means a species considered to be facing very high risk of extinction in the world, children. So completely vanished. For example, giant panda, blue whale, rhinoceros, and many animals are mostly endangered. The most common solutions of the environmental issues are to replace the disposable items with the reusable items. Then the use of paper should be avoided, and conserve water and electricity, children. Then we can support environmental friendly, that is eco-friendly practices. Then we can recycle the waste to conserve natural resources. By these ways, we can save our environment. And that's all for today's class, children. Thank you and stay safe, children.